At Off2, we created a better direct mail campaign builder. After countless hours of research, we built Mailman, your one-stop shop for real estate mailers. Mailman takes care of the entire process, from lead generation to delivery, so you can focus on closing your next deal. Here's how it works. Click New Mailing to start your campaign. You can send your custom mailers to a list of your own saved properties, or click Search for Properties to use our advanced search filters to create a highly targeted list of properties that match your exact preferences. In this demo, we'll be building our own custom mailing list. To create your list of properties, start by setting a location. You can choose a zip code, city, county, or entire state. Once you've selected your location, use these additional filters to narrow your property search further. In this example, we're looking for properties currently on the market for under $400,000. Next, we'll set our investment criteria. These filters determine which properties in your selected area will drive the return you're looking for. You can even estimate your mortgage cost, expected revenue, and monthly expenses. Use the value parameters to limit your search to properties within a specific price range or estimated rental rate. Let's target properties with a rent estimate of at least $1,000. Once you've entered your investment criteria, you can further narrow your search to a specific type of property, like condos or single-family homes, and even specify the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and more. The last sale filter allows you to target properties sold within a specific time frame or price range. The current mortgage parameters are a unique set of filters that are particularly useful to real estate investors. Use these settings to narrow your search to property owners with a specific mortgage type or balance. This demo will target owners with an outstanding balance of less than 50% of the current property value. Next, narrow your search to properties with a specific type of owner, like individual owners or LLCs. For today, let's focus on individual owners. If desired, you can specify the latest tax assessment value, tax amount, and foreclosure status for the properties on your list. As you can see, there are dozens of simple, user-friendly parameters available to create a robust list of properties that fit your exact specifications. Mailman has discovered properties and associated owners based on our current search parameters. Remember, some properties have multiple listed owners, so these two numbers can be different. Real estate investors love these filters because they allow you to create your own on-demand list of high-quality leads. You know precisely the kind of properties that will receive your mailers because you set every parameter yourself. Now that we've generated our mailing list, let's start building the mailer itself. Enter your return address here to specify where any undeliverable mailers should be forwarded. Next, select your mail class. Now, choose how your mailers should be delivered. You can have them sent directly to the property address or the owner's mailing address, if different. Who would you like your mailers addressed to? You can display each property owner's name on your mailer, send an individual mailer to each listed owner, or keep it neutral and address your recipient as current occupant. Once you've chosen your mailer delivery settings, it's time to start writing. Our intuitive message editor makes writing your own letter easy. And with up to 6 pages per mailer, you can write as little or as much as you want. For added personalization, drag and drop unlimited variables into your message. At printing, Mailman will automatically fill in each recipient's custom information. That means every single mailer you send is personalized, targeted, and unique. You can even add a QR code that sends your reader straight to your website, landing page, or email address. And did we mention you can send up to 2 million mailers per campaign? With Mailman, you can canvas an entire zip code, city, or state with your personalized professional mailers. Ready to send it? Click Complete Order to finish your campaign and pay. And with Off2's at-a-glance mailer tracking dashboard, you can follow your mailer's quick journey from processing to delivery. Sending direct mailers used to take weeks. With Mailman by Off2, send up to 2 million mailers to 500,000 properties in minutes. You set the parameters and customize your message. We'll handle the rest. Click the New Mailing button to launch your own campaign today.